Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a Mastodon account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and open the application and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. So you can go and join mastodon.social. You can pick another server or you can log in if you have already an account, but if you have one, you won't be in this video. So to, of course, create an account, click on Join Mastodon Social. Then after that, as you can see, you need to go and agree to the server rules. Click I agree, then click I agree again. Put in a display name. Then put in your username. The information that I'm putting in here is not my real information. This is just for the sake of this video. Then put in your email. Then create a password. So you can go and choose your own password, or you can choose a strong password that they, of course, suggest. And then when you filled everything, click next. And then you need to go and check in your inbox of course, on your email. So I'll be doing this on my computer. And then there you will have a confirmation mail, of course, which you just need to go and, of course, confirm, and you'll have your account set and ready. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, that will be everything. Until then, as always, bye guys.